Chilarters. Today we are going to do the almond flour biscuits, and I'm going to try that in air fryer. So let's go. For that I took 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 large eggs, 2 spoons of sour cream, 1 cup of almond flour, and baking powder. Add the melted butter in this mixture and give it a stir. Going to add the sea salt. I mostly use sea salt, pink salt. Add this as per your taste. I'm going to add the half a tablespoon of baking powder. Now this spoon is pretty small, so I'm going to add a full spoon of this particular size, which is a half a spoon of normal teaspoon. I'm going to add the cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to add the almond flour. For taste, I'm going to add the Italian seasoning, but you can add a pinch of garlic or any other spices that you like.